Hi there. A lot of stuff's been going on here in the last few weeks, so put together some clips, some pictures, and you can see what progress we've been making. It's all coming together, and we're looking, I guess, in the next couple of weeks of having everything, you know, ship shape and ready to go. Anyways, hope you enjoy.
Friday of the Labor Day weekend, our friend Kevin came in and put the Schluter up and started tiling the tub. So looking really good there. And then on the 2nd, we got the ceiling in the living room primed and ready to go. And the boys started putting up the shiplap. It went very well, which was pleasing. Use those extra posts just for some extra stability, where we glued and nailed the boards up. Looking good. And September 4th, Kevin had basically the whole bath stall finished, the niche put in there and ready to go. And I think, yeah, by that time we were tiling was finished and it's ready to grout. Yeah, Kevin's done more than a few tiling jobs for us, and we just love his work. So it was great that he had the time to do this for Matt. And yeah, so the drywall ready to go, and coming on down the hall into the kitchen. Hung some doors up, and everything's all painted and ready to go in the kitchen. Not much more to do there, so that's all ready. Coming into the dining room, we're got that painting to do in the inside wall there, now that it's all ready, but everything else is good to go. The ceiling is ready to be primed, or is primed and ready to be shiplapped. And there we go. We've got one whole side of the living room shiplapped, and we use faux shiplap. We cut it out of 1/4-inch ply, 6-inch strips, and it went up real well. So we just got to finish doing the rest of it after this. September 8th, there was a whole lot of painting going on. Painted the room divider from the dining room into the living room, and getting those walls ready for painting. And you can see Heather doing her fine job there. September 10th, we kept on with the faux shiplap, finished the shiplap in the living room and moved on into the dining room. It was looking really nice. It's got a real sort of cottagey feel with the shiplap up above and this nice gray paint. Looks super. Really happy with the way it's turned out. Yeah. And of course, Heather, the painting fiend that she is, still working hard, and this time working on the front wall. It's all coming together. September 11th, big day. This is when all the flooring, the laminate flooring, went into the living room. Went together real nice. It was free flooring. And it was in really good shape, so of course you got to use it. Those Bessie shims are just a game changer when you're doing flooring. They work so good. Anyway, that's looking at the finished product. Looked really nice. It goes really good with the gray of the walls, and here we are on September 12th. Things are buttoned up in the living room, and everything's ready for the windows to go in. We're just waiting at this point for the window guys to come in and do that. It's looking really good. Real happy with it. So between the 12th and the 15th, we got our windows replaced. The old windows were single pane with storm windows, and these new ones, these Milgard windows, are super. We didn't put the windows in ourselves. We got complete windows to do it because, you know, I didn't want to put 13 or 12 or 13 windows in myself and have to deal with that. So got them all in, got them all professionally installed, and they look super, work great, and we're super happy with them. It's going to be a nice addition to the place for winter. September 17th, we floored the bedroom. We had just enough flooring of that we got for the living room to floor the entire bedroom, including the closets, and when I say we had just enough, we had 2 full pieces left over, so that was really nice. Bathroom by this time, the tub's been grouted now. Still waiting for Kevin to finish off the niche, but tub's been grouted. Did a test fit, built up a toe kick, did a test fit for the vanity, and looks good. September 19th. Got the cabinet top, and so here we are, you know, just sort of taking a spin through, showing you how it's looking now. Doors are up in the bedroom, bathroom, Dylan's room, new doors. Toe kick, I think, is in at this point in time. Yeah, it's in, installed, laminated, so it's got this nice white floor mica on the base. Drywall's done and ready to paint up pretty quick. And as you can see, once we get into Dylan's room, it's starting to become less of a storage space. So we're starting to work on it, work on the corner beads, and getting it all cleaned up and ready to get filled and painted, and it's gonna be done pretty quick. Kitchen, Heather's been working on painting the inside of all the cupboards, so they're all done, and it looks really nice. And there we go. We're coming to the end. Shiplap ceiling in the dining room looks good. Simon, our friend the electrician, is going to come in and pull some wire for a couple of extra outlets on the walls. And well, actually, he'll put the boxes in. I'll do the climbing around underneath with the spiders. So that's coming up next, and got the roof to go on in the next week or two after this. There we go. We are good. It's all coming together. It's looking really super nice. So there it is. That's the latest update from Matt's place. And of course, lots has been done since then, and we'll keep you in the loop and show you what's been going on. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.